धन्यवाद सर आपके अनमोल वचनों और दिशा निर्देश के लिए। इसके साथ ही इस कार्यक्रम की सफलता के लिए जिन भी लोगों ने प्रयास किया, परिश्रम किया, उन सबके धन्यवाद ज्ञापन के लिए विद्यालय के वरिष्ठ शिक्षक श्री जगत कृष्ण शिशु गोस्वामी जी से निवेदन है, कृपया वो आए और धन्यवाद करें सर।
Be the light of the day, be the shower of the day, be the convener of the day, and this light will show the path to the world. Unquote. Happy Gandhi Jayanti to one and all present on this occasion. All the assembled parents, students, teachers and our honorable principal in charge, and my dear friends. I would like to throw a bird's eye view before I propose the official vote of thanks. Today we are culminating the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, which we started a year long ago. On 2nd October 2019, the nation started celebrating different items under which we have taken as part of the nation various programs such as road race, cleanliness, then literacy, save nature, plantation, and so on, so forth, and various competitions have been organized from primary to senior secondary level, and a number of prizes have been given on this occasion also. Our children have presented the variety entertainment program led by our music teacher for the region. Our students have presented under the guidance of our primary coordinator, dance, drama. They have excelled in the regional level, and our debaters have reached the national level. So KB number 6 is a part and parcel of all the activities, and we recently also we have plantation program just a few days back, and today we are going to have one more nature, save art, and we have also joined in the biodiversity program of the world, where Diheg, one of our child, also joined with Gothenburg. Now she has taken the TC. Similarly, one of our girl child also on this occasion participated in the national level debate and was conferred the British Council Appreciation Award. So these are some of the programs that I would like to highlight. And since this corona pandemic has started, our children have joined virtually, our parents have joined virtually. In all the occasions, we have also uploaded all the program in the YouTube under our able guidance of our computer teacher, Mr. Anil Kumarji. And everywhere KB number 6 has reached its pinnacles of glory, whether it is Fit India, whether it is road race, whether it is neat and cleanliness program, plantation program. So we are part and parcel of this program. Now I will come to the official proposition of vote of thanks. I will take this opportunity to convey our sincere gratitude on behalf of principal, student and staff to all the members who have been cooperating us since 1 year in conducting various programs. I would like to convey my sincere thanks to all my colleagues who have been shouldering all the responsibilities in spite of their busy schedule, forgetting about the holidays, forgetting about the pandemic, and we have assembled here. I would also like to convey my sincere thanks to all the children who have been part and parcel of various activities program conducted throughout the year. I would like to convey our sincere thanks to the parents who have cooperated with us by bringing the children for various programs, receiving the prizes. Thank you all. And I would like to thank the principal under whose guidance this program is being carried out. At the same time, today's principal, Mr. Sahu, who is the in-charge principal, Sarbesar Sahu sir, I would like to thank. And once again, I thank all my colleagues, Deepika Manti madam, and all Y.K. Singh sir, and all our sub-staffs here in the office, and one and all who have contributed their bids. Those who are newly joined, those who are in contractual, they have shared all the responsibility shoulder to shoulder. And thank you all. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.